Welcome to our channel, Hotel Tips. If you are looking for the perfect place to stay during your visit to the Disney parks, you need to check out the Magic Moment Resort and Kids Club. This incredible hotel in Kissimmee offers a unique experience, especially for families with children. The hotel link is in the video description. Just click and you will be directed to the booking website, the best booking website in the world, and of course the website where I make my reservations. Now let's find out why this resort is a fantastic choice.
I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say.
Located in the heart of Kissimmee, Florida, this incredible hotel was designed with families and children in mind, ensuring a stay full of joy and memories. The hotel features a breathtaking garden, an outdoor playground, and kid-friendly amenities that make every moment special. One of the perks is the free shuttle to the theme parks included. The hotel also has a heated outdoor pool for year-round fun, a fitness center, laundry facilities, family rooms, and a hot breakfast buffet to start each day off right. The Kids Club and Teens Club offer engaging activities that allow children and teens to socialize and have fun while parents relax. The rooms have a coffee maker, minibar, safe, and even a sofa. The daily rates start at $95 plus resort fees of $29 and 99 cents and taxes. The guest rating on the booking website is 8.2, considered very good. Located just steps from Disney Springs 15-minute drive, Epcot, Magic Kingdom 19-minute drive, and other Disney attractions, Magic Moment Resort and Kids Club also offers easy access to ESPN Wide World of Sports 13-minute drive, Gatherland 18-minute drive, Falcons Fire Golf 7-minute drive, the picturesque Town of Celebration 10-minute drive, and much more. The prime location ensures that you're always just minutes away from your next adventure. What did you think of this tip? Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. There's news every day.